And we have two problems here. The first one is using the nested list to store employee data. So the first step is I have created 3 variables for the name of the employee, and for each variable I assign the value. I assign a list to this variable, and in this list store all the information for this employee, which is the name, the age, the department. And then I created a new variable, which is employees, and then assign it to a new list, which including the variable created here, and each of them is also a list. So after we print the employees, we can get the result here. So which is a list, and all the 3 elements are also list. And for the presentable format, I use a for loop. So for each list in employment, for each list in the employee, I print each of the elements in this list and then use the dash to separate each answer. So we get the answer look like this. So which is all the 3 employees information and separated by the dash. Then the last one is to print the information for a specific employee named Lisa Crawford. So because I have created the information for this employee here, so to get all the information, I just use the for loop in this employees list, and then print all the information for this employee. And for the second one is to store, it's very similar to the first problem, but only the difference is for the new list employees, we store the dictionary inside. So similar to before, I have created 3 variables, but this time assign the direction to this specific variable, and then create a new list to store all these 3 dictionary. So after we print the employees, we get the result like this, which is actually a list with 3 elements, and each of the element is a dictionary. So also similar like before, to create the presentable format, I use for loop. So first is inside the employees. So the I here is a specific dictionary because it is an element in the employee, and inside this dictionary, I just printed the value and the key and separated by the dash. So after we print the result, we get the result like this, which is all the information for a specific employee and separated by the dash. And if we want to get the information for the specific person named Sue Jane Patel, we just also write another for loop and for the I in employees, and we just that's the key equal to name, and then we get the value equal to the employee we want, and then we'll print all the information here. Then we can get the result, which is all the information assigned to this employee.